Hello and welcome back to our Be Great series, where we continue to showcase the unique facets of our school that help our students to be great. Today, we're in our STEM lab, where our students can combine the love of their science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to learn in hands-on, engaging, project-based learning methods. They get to experiment and design, figure out what happened, what went wrong, what went right, and develop those critical thinking and problem-solving skills, all in hands-on, engaging classroom lessons. Today I'm going to introduce you to our STEM teacher, Mr. Steve Hammer, so he can tell you even more.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Steve Hammer. This is my third year teaching here at Trinity High School. I teach 3 different engineering classes: an aerospace class, an engineering introduction class, and an engineering principles class, along with a CAD class outside of this classroom as well. At Trinity, there are a variety of STEM-based classes and clubs that students can participate in and take over the course of any given school year. We have a STEM club, we have a robotics club, we have an ACE mentorship club, which is all about architecture and engineering. There is a flight club, we have aerospace classes, engineering classes, biology, advanced biology classes, physics classes, and various different technology classes that all fall under the STEM curriculum as well. So in my engineering classes, students learn the introduction to engineering concepts and a mindset that really enables them to better solve open-ended engineering problems. They complete projects using a variety of softwares and technologies that help us to utilize our 3D printers and then some of the other machines that we have here in the lab. They learn how electronics can be incorporated into basic projects to make them much more complex. And then the aerospace classes focus mainly on flight concepts, rockets, and satellite construction as well. All of these classes apply to real-world engineering-based problems and allow students to go further in engineering schools and jobs outside of Trinity. We have students that have gone and graduated and are now working in aerospace industries. One of those particular students comes back and actually mentors our students over the course of the school year. It prepares students for engineering curriculum in college, and it enables them to be highly successful in trade programs also. Okay, so this is the engineering lab's milling machine, and this is a machine that really allows students to grasp concepts about how to make and manipulate raw materials. So this is just a piece of nylon that they can practice machining and milling things on before moving on to making more complex parts for some of the projects that they're going to be doing over the course of the year. We've got various different cutting tools that can go into it. It's got a digital readout, so it's not computer numeric controlled, but they can get accuracy down to about the 10,000th of an inch, which is an incredible tight tolerance for what they're going to be doing in this class. And really it just allows them to make and build and think about concepts in different ways than they typically would when they're thinking about something like a 3D printer. This is the lab's lathe, and this machine allows the students to work with round stock. And so when we're working on things like rocket bodies, or we need to make round parts out of stock that fit into parts that might need it to be a reduced diameter, we can put various different materials onto this machine and we can turn them down to smaller diameter parts. It's a bit of an older machine because it's not computer numeric controlled, but it allows them to really get a feel for a hands-on machining process to better prepare them for more advanced machines in the future. All right, so this is the engineering lab's laser cutter, and this machine allows us to cut incredibly intricate parts out of a wide variety of materials. It's a 16-inch by 24-inch laser, so it's pretty big, and it's 90 watts, so it's pretty powerful also. This is mainly used by the students in the aerospace classes because we can cut fins for rockets, we can cut airfoil parts, we can cut fuselage components in this machine, and it allows us to cut very, very accurately and quickly produce larger structures from the parts that come out of this machine.
So through all these different STEM offerings, our students get the chance to really experiment and learn. They will build, design, come up with new experiments. test out things that individuals can actually use. And through that type of hands-on learning, our students are developing more than just the skills in this classroom. They're developing those problem-solving, higher-level critical thinking skills that they'll need beyond Trinity. Hope you enjoyed learning about our STEM lab and STEM classes and clubs. To learn even more, visit our website, trinityrocks.com, and follow us on social media.